Welcome back to Market Minute USA. Today is Thursday, February 5, 2026, and we are officially in the eye of the storm. After the revenge rally that saw gold reclaim $5,000 yesterday, the market is now stabilizing at $5,100, while in India, silver is holding firmly above 2.80 Indian rupees lakh per kg. But don't let this stability fool you. Tomorrow is the day that could change everything. The world is watching Muscat, Oman. President Trump and Iranian officials have confirmed that high-stakes nuclear talks are scheduled for this Friday. However, Trump isn't going in with a soft touch. In a late-night interview, he warned the Iranian supreme leader to be very worried, stating that if a deal isn't reached, very bad things will happen. With the Trump Armada, the USS Abraham Lincoln Group, positioned in the Arabian Sea, the war premium on gold is at a record high. If talks fail tomorrow, gold could gap up $200 in minutes. On the domestic front, the India-US trade deal continues to reshape the landscape. The reduction of reciprocal tariffs to 18% has been a lifeline for Indian exporters, but it has also led to a massive shift in energy policy. Reports suggest India is rapidly winding down Russian oil purchases to satisfy Trump's demands. This energy pivot is strengthening the rupee, which is the only thing keeping Indian gold prices from hitting 1.70 Indian rupees lakh right now. In the tech sector, the Nvidia versus Tesla war is moving into Phase 2. Nvidia's Alpamayo AI is now being integrated into Mercedes-Benz 2026 fleet, offering reasoning-based self-driving that actually explains its decisions. While Elon Musk claims Tesla's FSD is still years ahead, the market is loving Nvidia's open-source approach. In a high-tariff world, software that can be licensed globally is winning over hardware that gets stuck at the border. My strategy for today is the calm before Muscat. We are seeing heavy short covering in silver near the 2.85 Indian rupees lakh level. If you are trading, keep your stop losses tight. Tomorrow's meeting in Oman is a binary event. Either we get a peace deal and a $300 drop in gold, or we get a breakdown and a $5,500 moonshot. Market Minute USA will be live tracking the Oman talks all night. Subscribe now, hit the bell, and tell me in the comments, do you think Trump will get his grand deal tomorrow, or are we heading for a weekend of conflict? Let me know, and I'll see you at the closing bell.